Tonight you get to sleep in a super cool place.
I don't care about stupid, super cool place.
You get to sleep in the best place ever.
I don't care.
What? There you go. You're not throwing stuff down here, are you? You wearing clothes?
I don't care about wearing clothes.
Clothes off. Get your clothes off.
I don't.
Get your clothes off.
I'm wearing my shirt to bed if I want to.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're what?
I'm wearing my shirt to bed.
Get your stuff off.
I don't have any other clothes.
You don't need clothes. You're going to bed. You're going to bed. You have to clothes off.
I know.
Hurry up.
I've already
Get them off.
heard you. Oh,
Come on.
stop touching me.
Get them off. Come on.
No. No.
Yeah, you get to sleep in a super cool place tonight.
I don't care.
It's brown. It's on a hill. Couple of dogs. Couple of cats. You'll never guess where it is.
Tell me this. I don't know.
Oh, I think you know.
No, I don't.
You know.
Uh-uh.
No. Alright, we'll see you. Good night. You'll be in bed by what? 6:30 tomorrow night too?
No, I won't.
6:30.
No, I won't.
Super 6:30 time.
I'll be in bed. I'll stay as late as I want.
Really?
Yeah.
Says who?
It's me.
Really?
Yeah.
So when I tell you you're going to bed at 6:30, you think you're gonna not?
No. Yeah.
I wouldn't recommend you try that.
Really, I have nowhere to put my clothes.
Well, get up and put them away.
I can't.
Get up and fold them. Fold them nicely.